In July of 2012, a team of scientists from the University of New Hampshire brought the members of the Nitrogen Sources Collaborative Science Advisory Board on a field trip to observe how data on nitrogen concentrations in the Great Bay Estuarine System is collected. This advisory board is made up of both public and private sector leaders who want to have access to the best science for decision making. We started with a tour of the laboratory where the nitrogen samples are analyzed. Here is Dr. Bill McDowell giving a tour of the lab.
Well, this, in conjunction with actual physical samples that we can compare, this will give us, maybe not perfect, but it'll give us a very much better understanding of the particulate matter that's coming into the day.
We then took members of the Collaborative Science Advisory Board into the field to experience the data collection. Throughout the day, scientists were on hand to answer tough questions that the advisory board members had. Here's Steve Miller from the Great Bay National Estuarine Research Reserve discussing what the town of Durham, New Hampshire did to reduce nitrogen runoff from a municipal parking lot.
And then if you get a really big rain event, of course you'll want to create flooding, so there are these overflow drains that go right into the surface water.
All in all, it was an excellent day. Scientists got to hear what stakeholders in the watershed want to know about nitrogen inputs into Great Bay. And the Collaborative Science Advisory Board members got to see the science in action, as well as some ideas for curbing nitrogen pollution in the system. This project is a collaboration of the New Hampshire Water Resources Research Center, the Great Bay National Estuarine Research Reserve, the University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension, and the Piscataqua Region Estuaries Project. Funding support comes from the NERS Science Collaborative.